Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how link state routing works in a network. Link state routing is a second major class of intra-domain routing protocol. Link state routing is used to find the least cost path to any destination from the source. Each node is assumed to be capable of finding out the state of the link. The state of the link can be either up or down. So here each node will be capable of analyzing whether the link is up or down and the cost value associated with each of this link. In link state routing, which this entire protocol relies on two mechanisms. One is reliable dissemination of link state information to all the nodes in the network, and the second one is the calculation of the route from sum of all the accumulated link state information in every node in the network. Reliable flooding. Reliable flooding in the link state routing protocol works in a way where every node will send the link state packet to all of its directly connected neighbor nodes. So every node which receives this link state packet from any other node then forwards it out on all of its directly connected neighbors. So this way the process continues until the information reaches all the nodes in the network. So each node will create an update packet about the link state information that it gathers, and this new updated link state packet will also be informed to all of their directly connected neighbors. So that is the reason why we call this mechanism as a reliable flooding, where we have the updated link state packet information in every node in the network. Link state packet will contain four informations. One is the ID of the node that created the link state packet. Second one is a list of directly connected neighbor to that particular node with the cost of that link which is connecting those nodes, and the sequence number of that link state packet. And the fourth one is the time to live for that link state packet. The first two things, I mean the ID of the node and the list of directly connected neighbors, are used to route calculation, and the last two informations in the link state packet are used to make the process of flooding the link state packet to all nodes reliable. So with this information, we start with the learning of mechanisms how this reliable flooding of link state packet is happening. Look into the screen. We have 5 nodes on a network where the node X receives a copy of the link state packet from some node Y. So now this node X, after receiving the link state packet, it will share this information with their directly connected neighbors node A and node C. The link state packet is being delivered to the node A and node C. Now node A will receive the link state packet and will look into the sequence number, and it will look into the information that it has. If the information is a new information, then the node A will update the existing link state packet with the newest information that it has received. If the information is oldest information, the node A will simply discard the link state packet which it has received. So this way the reliable flooding works. See, the node A now shares this information with node B. Node C will also share its link state packet with node B. Now in this case, node B is receiving the link state packet from two nodes, node A and node C. Now node B will look into the sequence number of the received link state packet. If the sequence number is the highest sequence number than the link state packet information that it has already stored, then it considers that this arrived link state packet, newly arrived link state packet, has the updated information about the network. So it overwrites the existing link state packet and it uses that. In case if the sequence number of the received link state packet is lower than that of the which link state packet already it has, then it simply discards the newly arrived link state packet with lowest sequence number, considering that is the outdated information about the network. In this way, the link state packet gets flooded into the network reliably. And we learn how the route calculation is made. Link state routing, the route calculation is made with the help of Dijkstra's algorithm, which is a well-known algorithm in the graph theory, which is also called as a forward search algorithm, which helps to create a complete map for the topology of the network. With the help of Dijikra's algorithm, you can see it on the screen. We have a network N. We have a network capital N, which consists of many nodes which are named as N, I, J. And you can see here I and J are the nodes which are connected with a link. So the link is between the nodes I and J will have some cost value. So L of I comma J is equal to some non-negative cost value will be assigned. In case if there is no link between the node I and J, the cost value is said to be equal to infinity. And this entire network is called as capital N. It is represented as capital N. The node in the node M, which denotes the set of nodes. So in the picture you can see that capital M, which denotes the set of nodes incorporated so far by this algorithm, and C of n denotes the cost of the path from node S to each node N in the network. So basically the algorithm works as follows. It starts with M containing this node S and then initialize the table of cost to all other nodes using the known cost to directly connected nodes. We then look for the node that is reachable at the lowest cost and add it to M. So the ultimate idea of the Dijikra's algorithm is to find out the least cost path. So this is an example. A network is shown on the left side and the respective table is created with the help of the Dijikra's algorithm. The table contains the confirmed list and tentative list, which will be keep on updated until the reliable flooding between the nodes in the network completes. Then the open shortest path first is the widely used link state routing protocol, which adds some features to the link state algorithm. It uses authentication of the routing messages so that the bad information will not get propagated to all the routers in the network. And it also has an additional hierarchy where the internet is now being partitioned into domain called as the areas. So with this kind of structures, you can do the routing within this internet areas